Welcome to a Sim Code. What's up, guys? It's great to see you here. Hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. Tokenization in natural language processing, NLP, is the process of breaking down a stream of text into individual components called tokens, which can be words, punctuation marks, or other meaningful chunks. This is a crucial first step in many NLP tasks because it converts raw text into smaller, manageable units that can be analyzed. For example, in Python, the NLTK library provides a function called word_tokenize, which splits a sentence into tokens while recognizing punctuation as separate entities. The result of this function is typically a list of strings, where each string represents a word or punctuation mark. Tokenization helps prepare text for further processing, such as part of speech tagging, named entity recognition, or sentiment analysis, enabling computers to understand the structure of the language. Importing the NLTK library to handle various natural language processing tasks. NLTK is a Python package that simplifies text processing for common NLP tasks. The NLTK.download function is used to download datasets and models needed for processing. Specifically, here we are downloading the punct model, which is used for tokenization. Punct is a pre-trained tokenizer that can break text into sentences or words. Downloads the punct tokenizer model for text processing. Here, we are defining a sample text string that we want to tokenize. The text is a simple string of characters and spaces, which is an example of a text input. The NLTK.word_tokenize function is a built-in function in NLTK that tokenizes a given string. This function breaks the text into tokens, words, punctuation marks, based on predefined rules. Word_tokenize is a class method that relies on the punct model. It returns a list of strings, tokens, so the return type of this function is a Python list. The variable tokens is a list. A list in Python is a data structure that holds multiple items. In this case, the list contains individual words and punctuation marks as separate tokens. The output list is a sequence of strings that represent individual parts of the original text. For example, hello there becomes Let's break down the data types used. Text. This is a Python str string, which is a sequence of characters. Tokens. This is a Python list, which is an ordered collection of items. In this case, it holds strings, tokens. NLTK.word underscore tokenized text. The return type of this function is a list of strings, list, str.